Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out Amazon accounts from all devices. So go and open a browser on your PC and make sure to go to this URL section. Type amazon.com and make sure that you're logged in to the account that you want to log out from all the other accounts on it. Example for me, I'm logged in already into my account. If it's my first time example, I'll be taken to this page, so I'll have to go and click on sign in and make sure that you sign in into that account. Now, we would like to go and click on our menu, and all we need to do is just go to our account. So click on the menu as you can see at the top, sorry, and of course, go and click on accounts. Even if you click an example here at the top, they will take you as example to the same place as here. So if we scroll down here, we'll find digital content and devices, and we'll be able to go and click on devices. Here, I'll be able to see, as example, so Amazon apps installed on one device. As you can see, I'll find this here. I'll be able to look for all Amazon devices, all Amazon apps, and non-Amazon devices. Make sure to select all of that so you can get all the devices. And of course, you can see all time, not just this week, yesterday, today, custom. No, make sure to have it on all time. So you can have here all the devices that are logged in or even logged out before. So from here, you'll have all your devices and just go and find the device that you want to remove or log out from. Click on it. As example for me, I do have only one device, so I'm just going to click on that. And here, as you can see, you'll find deregister or delete voice recording. So for us, we will have to go and click on deregister, or you might even find the here remove device instead of deregister. Just go and click on it and make sure to click on deregister. As you can see, what will this do is your device will be deregistered from your account or Amazon account, and this will remove all content from device, and many feature will not work. Items purchased from Amazon store will remain available in the cloud and can be downloaded again after deregistering. You can register on your device to another Amazon account. Are you sure you want to deregister? So make sure to click on deregister to just sign out from that device specifically. If you want to sign out from all the devices, you just gotta do it for all the other devices. Come here, click on any other device that you have and click on deregister. Click on it, click on deregister, and you should be logged out from all the devices that you're logged in. Of course, if you want to log out from all devices at once, like just one time, you don't have to click on that every single time. Go and click on your account again. And from here, we would like to go to the login and security because we would like to change a password. When you change a password, as example, once your password is changed, they will ask you if you want to log out from all the other devices. So you can just go and choose yes, and they'll log you out from all the devices. As you can see right here, you can just go and click on that. And as you can see, you'll have to enter your password, basically. Click on keep me sign in. Let's just hope it's the right password. So let me just go and try to get it. So this sends me as example OTP. Once I messed up, we can just go and re-enter it again. So it's again like this. Don't require that. Click on sign in. And yeah, you can go and add your phone number and stuff like that. So here's an example. All you need to do is just go and click on edit on the password. So once you click on edit, you'll have to enter as example the OTP that they sent you again. Again, as I said, once you just change the password, they will basically ask you to, or they will ask you if you want to log out from all devices, or they might even force you to do it. They might even not ask you to, they will tell you, they'll tell you, we'll log out from all devices. If you want to log in again, just go and log in again. As simple as that. So once you do all of that, make sure to double check Prime Videos, open the Prime Video app and go to settings and register devices and see all devices currently signed in. Make sure to remove the ones that you don't recognize or no longer use. For example, you can also just go and type Prime Video here. Go and make sure to log in into your account, go and click on account settings, and here click on devices, and you'll be able to see all the devices that are registered. You can even click on them and sign out one from another. You can again change the password here and they will sign out from all the other devices. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.